Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Razer Basilisk X HyperSpeed mouse is not working properly, like lagging, disconnecting, or not responding a reset, can often fix these issues quickly. Wireless gaming mice rely on stable connections and proper internal settings, and sometimes small glitches can interrupt performance. This can make the mouse feel unresponsive or inconsistent, even though the hardware is perfectly fine. The good thing is that resetting the mouse and refreshing its connection can bring it back to normal without much effort. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to reset your Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed and restore smooth performance. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the mouse and remove the battery. Step 2. Wait for a few seconds to clear any stored power. Step 3. Reinsert the battery and turn the mouse back on. Step 4. Reconnect the mouse using the USB receiver or Bluetooth mode. Step 5. Check settings in your system to ensure the mouse is detected. Step 6. Test the mouse movement and buttons to confirm it is working properly.